In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the image that you've hopefully successfully saved from your Pixlr project and placed on your desktop. And hopefully that's all saved and good to go. You can see my images here on the desktop. Now I even have two of them. I only need one, but that's going to be put into my web page because I want it to go right here on my web page. So the first step that you're going to do is you're going to move the image into the proper folder. So the way you can do that is you can actually manually move it in on your desktop, but this is a little easier and cooler. I just click, drag, and I make sure my arrow pointy thing is right next to assets. And when I do that, it is now in the assets folder. As you can see, here's the Pixlr folder, there's the assets folder. The next trick I'm going to do is I'm going to type the link and it's going to work for me. It's right after this using HTML5. So here's header 2 using HTML5. Here's our figure tag and our image source. So I'm going to get rid of this link goes here text. I'm going to delete it. And then give myself white space. Remember, white space doesn't matter. And I'm going to go open quotation marks. And then I'm going to navigate to it. So I clicked on Pixlr, then I click on Assets, then I click on the image, and boom, it's there. The little line shows me, hey, this works. Now notice from my live preview, boom, the image is there.